Welcome. It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Schoolchild ALEXEI Mishkovets awarded a medal for compelled violation. Ask the urban teenager to attach the plow to the tractor. Cope. What do you think? Probably not. And to plow the village. Blocking the path of a forest fire? All the more. 14-year-old boy ALEXEI Mishkovets from the village of Tavranko in the Krasnoarmeyski district of the Chelyabinsk region, with tractors and plows on the U. The guy is very modest, laconic. He is not in the Facebook nor in the contacts, and he also doesn't have an account in the trendy Instagram, although the surroundings around Tavranko are so picturesque that you can snap selfies every day. But Lesha saved his native village from trouble. Last May, forest fires approached the village. Emergencies, ministry, brigades might not have time because the fire came from the neighboring village of Chesnovsky, and they fought with flame there. Mishkovets had a mother, Natalia, at home and children. His father went on business. A little more, and the fire will begin to stomp around the gardens, take up the dry tree of buildings. On the outskirts of the village is the house of Grandma ALEXEI. What if her house breaks out? After a little hesitation, Lek shouted to his mother, "I will hook the plow to the tractor. I will plow around. Should help stop the fire." A tractor of a fellow villager was already working in the field, but the teenager correctly judged that the two would cope faster. 2 cars were working in thick black smoke, and the mother stood on the road and prayed to avert disaster. I called my father. He soon rushed over and also got behind the wheel. Then another relative joined the fearless 3, and together they stopped the flame approaching the houses. Of course, from the point of view of the law of Leshka, Mishkovets got behind the wheel early without a driver's license, but they will not punish him. He saved the whole village from trouble. On the 6th of February, on the eve of International Human Rights Day, ALEXEI is expected at the residence of the governor of the Chelyabinsk region. The teenager will be awarded the Hurry to Do Good 2019 medal. Family business, Mishkovets, supplying the entire district with lumber and firewood. According to the Mayak district newspaper, spouses have been teaching work since childhood to their 2 children. From the age of 5, ALEXEI has been able to drive a walk-behind tractor. The father cooked a sleigh for him, and the son delivers firewood to customers, so earns pocket money. If pensioners order, it also adds up to the unloaded goods to the woodpile.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.